Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you have a black desktop background on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So in earlier version of Windows, especially Windows 7, if you do not have a legitimate version or a legitimate product key activating your version of Windows, you would get a black desktop after I believe 30 days of the non-genuine usage. However, in Windows 10 and Windows 11 they dropped that, so it just would be a little watermark down in the bottom right corner of your screen. However, they do not make your screen black anymore, guys. If you do not have an activate product key on your computer, so this is an unrelated issue to Windows activation. Just want to put that out. There is a case. Some of you guys familiar with how Microsoft used to do that. So if you are stuck with a black screen on your desktop, sometimes your wallpaper gets corrupted and just goes black to a black desktop wallpaper theme as the default option. So in order to resolve that, all you have to do is just locate whatever image you want to set as your wallpaper. I just have it saved to my desktop over here. You just need to right click on it and you just need to select set as desktop background, and that's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.